question 2, we have a random variable x that is uniform in the interval -1 to 1. And the question asks us to find g of x such that if variable y is g of x, then such thing exists. Okay, so if x is uniform in this interval of length 2, then the probability of x happening in this across this interval would just be 1 over the length of this interval, which is a half, right? Because the area of this triangle should the area of this rectangle should be 1, right? And then here we also have fy, a distribution function of y is e to the power of minus y, and then also a step function of y. So first of all, we can just very easily draw this cumulative probability of x, because pretty much this is just a straight line, right? A horizontal line. So we just go from -1 to 1 at a rate of 0.5 per unit. And then, yeah, we can just find an x here, right? We can find the corresponding cumulative probability of x at a certain x value, and that is x plus 1 over 2 here. And that would also correspond to the cumulative probability of y. And that is given as, that is not given yet, but we know the distribution function of x is e to the power of minus y, and we can deduct we can integrate that, and then we can deduct the cumulative probability of y, and those two values should be the same. So x plus 1 over 2 should be equal to 1 minus e to the power of minus y. Yes, so here, by solving this equation, we kind of figure out a relationship between y and x, and that would be the function, the g of x, that this question is asking us. So some really easy math here. We just separate the two variables. So we move e to the power minus y to the left and sort everything out on the right. And then here we have it. We have a natural log e to the power of y equals natural log of 2 over 1 minus x. And here we have it. Y is natural log 2 over 1 minus x.